Welcome back. I'm Carl Jacobson from the Woodshop TV, and today I'm going to make this floating vase. It's out of walnut and ambrosia maple. Let's get started. Help support the companies that support our community. All right, there's the neck I made for it. So I put it in there, put a little tenon on it so it would go down inside of the pot, and I'm going to glue it in and hold it up in there so it looks like it's floating inside of there. So I have some change here, $1, and I'm going to go ahead and put that underneath it, right in the center there, so it holds it up off the bottom. Put a little bit of glue around the tenon there so that it holds it all up while it's drying. And no, this is not mustard. It's a tight bond too. I just put it in this container. It actually works better than the bottle that it comes in. So I had somebody ask me if it was really mustard on the last video, the table video. So no, it's not mustard. Put that in there like that. There we go. I think that's good. I'll let that set up. I got the idea for this. You might have seen they make kind of a canteen style little vases, and they put plates on each side of them. But I thought it'd be kind of cool to put something different in them. If you're going to turn something like this, turn the speed up. The faster it's going, the easier it is to cut with this. The only thing, when I was truing up this piece right here, I turned lathe speed down to about 2,000. But if you can crank it up faster, it's going to cut easier for you. Again, it's out of maple and walnut, and it is about 8.5 inches tall and about 5.5 inches across. But it's a fun project. My original plan was I was going to make it into a box, but about halfway through I got to thinking about it. It's kind of useless as a box. You wouldn't be able to really get anything out of it without tipping it upside down and pouring it all out. So I just decided to make a vase. But yeah, it's a fun project. If this is your first time here, I have a new project video every Friday. So if you please hit the subscribe and like button on your way out. And if you have any comments, please leave them down below in the description. All right, till next time, take care.